So I've been working on this label design for a while now, go back and forth for probably like 3 months with a couple different designers working on different parts of the label. It's so funny because I thought I was like married to this one idea, but it looks like I might have another idea than what I initially thought my design for my label was going to be. So let me show you. I'm not sure if you guys could see this, but this is what the new design is looking like, and I really am liking it. And I designed it all on Canva, and these were the versions that I was trying to work with before. This one was just, I don't even know what the hell that is. Oh yay, more shipping bubbles. More packing peanuts. More packing peanuts, yay! 3 cheers for upcycling. So I'm definitely going to reuse these to pack some stuff for my business if I can. So I need to get a bag to put this in. This is a lot of packing peanuts. I'm gonna use every one of these. Don't you worry. Yeah, because this is all glass, so I'm not mad at it. So these are cornstarch packing peanuts. They usually just disintegrate into nothingness once they touch the water. So I just really have to check these. Checking every single one, every last one of these. But look at it with the light, right? It looks pretty good, no? I think this looks really pretty. I really like it. I'm trying to get used to it. I like how the orange is on top of the faces in both parts. All right, let me see what it looks like when I put it on the product. So most jars have like a little line that's a notch. Let me see if you guys can see that. Can you see right here? Boom, that's where I'm gonna try to line it up at. And I just use like Scotch tape to print it out and put it on. Where did it go? Where did it go? Where'd you go? I missed you so. Where can't I find it anymore? Excess off, but this is just... I'm in love with that! You're lying. I'm about to start crying. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's beautiful. And I did it crooked, but it's still beautiful. Hold up. Why is this so pretty? Hold up. Hold on. Hello, do you want to be on camera? So this could be a tad bit shorter, like a tad bit shorter, and then also more spaced out here. But as for a collection, I think this is beautiful. I think this is beautiful. Like, hold on, let me just... Yeah, this is gorgeous. I'm in love. Can you... I could always like position it different ways so you always see different parts of the label, but look. So beautiful. Yeah, I'm excited. All right, making progress. First of all, look at the difference in color. Like, come on, this was looking way too dull, and it just wasn't giving what I needed it to give, you know? This is definitely 2 ounces. I think I'm still trying to decide if I want to add carrot oil to this, but the color of the product is gonna be beautiful. It's gonna, so it's funny because I have this one here. I added like twice the amount of carrot oil that I should have, and it came out looking like this. So think about half of the yellow orangey color, half of that concentration with this label design. Oh, maybe it doesn't look as good as I thought it was gonna look. It's more yellow instead of orange. But who knows, like who knows? But anyways, I think it's beautiful. Why do under my eyes look so red? Oh, I just started using tretinoin and it's giving me a little bit of irritation. But I'm just excited to be getting one step closer because this is dragging. Like this pre-launch phase is like, I'm tired. I didn't even start yet and I'm tired. Getting these boxes has been a big issue. I really wanted custom boxes, but it looks like it might not happen, so we'll see.